Monkey River Village in Belize is the northernmost village in the Toledo district and derives its name from the river it borders. Beach erosion continues to threaten the existence of this community, which now has a population of approximately 200 from that of over 1,000. The problem of beach erosion experienced by this community is a dynamic one with many contributing factors. There are numerous influences, both anthropogenic and natural, that increase the vulnerability of this community. So what are some of these contributing factors?
The activities inland from the shoreline also impact what is happening downcoast. So we have a lot of the sand that comes to the Monkey River area, the coast, is riverine materials, silt, sand, alluvium, and so on. So if you put in perspective the background that I've given you in relation to climate change and sea level rise and so on, and add to that the loss and the extraction of sediment upstream, because many of the plantations have actually built dams across the rivers, and you build a dam so that you can abstract water for irrigation. That helps to cut off the sediment, and as a result you're going to get a reduction in available sand to nourish the beaches naturally. So you're having a multiple problem here of several elements happening at the same time. And of course, climate change and sea level rise is not helping, because that is going to exacerbate it. We are seeing is really a manifestation of human activity that has been taking place for a long time, for decades. It doesn't happen instantaneously, because as you know, in any natural system, there's a lag time between when you commit the action and a lag time when you feel the effects downstream. And this is, you're now feeling the effects some 30, 40 years after they started the damming of the rivers and so on. So, you know, people in the village ask questions like, well, why is this happening? And they hypothesize, they wonder about, you know, what is causing it and so on. Not realizing that activities which didn't appear to impact it 25, 30 years ago now impact it.
Additional causes include extraction of water for agricultural purposes, specifically for irrigation of large banana plantations. This usually involves redirecting stream flow. There is also reduced stream flow from water loss during mining, coupled with the displacement of sediments from this extraction process. This results in many socio-economic and cultural consequences. An abandoned house helped to emphasize the dilemma of persistent beach erosion and land loss. Based on our observations, the burial grounds seem to be very susceptible to further erosion. Other consequences include the loss of homes, the community clinic, post office, and recreational sites such as the large playing field. Critical infrastructure such as roads, agricultural systems, and wildlife habitats have also been lost. Realizing these threats, the people of the Monkey River Village, in collaboration with the Ministry of Public Works, have in the past undertaken a variety of adaptive measures, which include improving housing design, reducing wave energy through physical barriers such as large tires and stakes.
Okay, I put sandbags out here like 300 to 500 last year, a year before last, but as I said, it didn't get as bad as it was before I put down the sandbag.
The Center for Resource Management and Environmental Studies has annually conducted scientific investigations in Monkey River Village to provide baseline information for future adaptive measures. For the past 6 years, CERMES has evaluated current trends through the analysis of beach profile and provided valuable information on the composition of sand samples. CERMES has also monitored the changes of river flow related to upstream activities along the watershed. Thus far, these adaptive efforts have been unsuccessful in addressing the issue of beach erosion. The problem still continues. Serious questions then emerge. The solution, one may ask? Coastal engineering theoretically may be the best answer. However, is it really practical? Will the cost of addressing the problem of beach erosion outweigh that of relocating residents? Who is regulating the activities that take place upstream of Monkey River? When will the right assistance arrive? What will be the fate of Monkey River Village